You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this scientific name. The name of the plant, Latin name of the plant better known as Kratom, or Kratom as they say in the US, some may pronounce it as Kratom. Mitragyna, there are different pronunciations because it's from Latin. Mitragyna speciosa or speciosa, also speciosa. There are different ways of pronouncing it because it's from Latin, so it's not one singular way in English to say it. But if you say Mitragyna, some may say Mitragyna, Mitragyna speciosa, you're fine. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.